for their motorcycle run. Of course, you can join us all day at La Junta City Park for La Junta's first safety jam. I know I'm competing with some motorcycle pipes here, so forgive me if you can't hear my audio. Of course, we're a promotional sponsor for this year's event, so we'll be covering several live stream moments throughout the day for you guys. And you can find extended video footage and interviews on our YouTube channel. We've got their route explanation in an interview. We'll have that up for you guys, so you know, to wave when they go through your town. They'll be hitting Chiraw and Sugar City, ending back here at the City Park. Our La Junta Fire Department in their custom Sutphin ladder truck. Actually, it's kind of a bucket truck. They're going to have it on display for today's safety jam. Again, safety jam in La Junta City Park all day long. They'll be going into the evening. So you can come check out the emergency vehicles, meet our first responders, and it is all, of course, sponsored and put on by Medtrans, American Medical Response. This is our first time doing this event here in La Junta, rather their first time. This community event, open to the public, everything's free. Come get your food vouchers and get your grub on and have a day of fun. They're giving away like 30 bicycles for the kids today. So come get your kids registered to win a bicycle and learn about safety in Southeast Colorado. From La Junta City Park, from Safety Jam with your Southeast Colorado news on seconews.org, I'm Adrian Hart.